Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the Playwright for JavaScript series. Last video we saw about handling how to handle different dialogues, like for example, a simple alert, confirmation alert, and prompt alert. Hope you watched the previous video, okay? And you also watched the previous little bit of basic video, so we are moving forward nicely with learning the end-to-end playwright right automation. Okay, so now in this video we are going to see a very simple mechanism, right? How to upload a file, right, with the help of playwright with JavaScript. Okay, so how to upload a right file with the help of playwright with JavaScript. That is what we are going to see in this particular video. Okay, so for that I'm going to Visual Studio Code. Okay, then I'm going to create a new file under my project, which we are doing for past some videos now. Okay, so I'll create write one file name, that is upload file dot js. So it converts into an JavaScript file. Okay, so I created an upload file dot js. Okay, so now instead of writing the full code, let me copy the previous code. Okay, so for example, I'll go to the same alert handling which we did in last video. I will copy it. Okay, and I will paste it. Okay, so I'll paste here. Okay, and right, I'll remove the pages. Okay, so I'll remove. Okay, so what is there in the code is, right, first is I'm going to import my chromium package into the playwright, right? From the playwright I'm going to import the chromium package. Next one is I used async, default async, which we have in the playwright, where it waits for each operation which we are going to do in the application. For example, we are going to click it or send keys, right, take a screenshot, or wait for some time, or close the browser. Whatever operations we are going to write for making it to wait, we by default we are using async. Then first line of code is launching a Chromium browser, write new Chromium, write browser. For that I'm using await Chromium dot launch, and then I'm launching in a headless mode. We can make it true or false. So now I'm going to run in foreground. I just made it into false. Okay. Next, I create a new context. That is, I create a new Chromium profile, right, which we can use it for multiple right operation. For example, video recording, right, or right handling a session, right, a separate Chrome profile I created with the help of context. With that context, I'm going to create a new page in the right Chromium profile. A new blank page is created here. Okay, now I'm going to use the page dot go to method to launch the particular application. Okay, for example, right, I'll go here. Okay, so I'll click, right, I'll enter this application. So we are going to test this application, right? I'll just do an upload functionality here, right, and click upload and verify the file has been uploaded or not. That is what we are going to do now. Okay, so first, right, we need to upload a particular file, right, into this particular URL here. Okay, so for that, first we need to click choose file, right? And for that I'll write a code here. Till this we entered up to loading a page. Okay, now I'll give await, okay, page dot set, right, input files. For right inputting a file into a particular right button or something, right, we can use this method set input file. Right, we need to locate this one. I'll just go to inspect, and you have right, choose file. We have and right type equal to file. We'll use it. Okay, so we'll take a CSS selector for the same. Okay, now I'll give single quotes. Okay, I'll give a tag name here, input. Okay, then I'll give square bracket. Then I'll go here, see what is attribute, that is type and file. Okay, attribute is type and value is file. So hope you watched the previous videos for the basic allocators. Okay, so file. Okay, so type is file. Okay, copy it. Okay, next I will close it. Okay, input type equal to right file. Okay, I use a CS selector now. Now let me also I need to give the path of the file. Okay, so now I'll give comma. Then suppose right, I'll go to my desktop. Suppose right, I need to give this, upload this file. Okay, I'll go to security. Okay, I'll give playwright demo.txt. Okay, and then I give this notes. Now let me do one thing. I will copy this one and put it my project folder. Okay. So instead of that, what I'll do is right, I will create a new file here. For example, right. For example, playwright upload.txt. Okay, so I'll create a right instead of keeping outside, I'll keep it in my right file. Okay, then I'll create one right, for example, JS testing academy. Okay, playwright JavaScript ready. Okay, let me upload this file. Okay, so now let me give the path of it. I'll give tests. Okay, slash. Okay, now I'll give playwright upload.txt. Okay, so it is under write test, write playwright upload.txt. So we need to upload it. Okay, so I'm just giving page dot set input files, and I just located input type equal to file and test playwright upload.txt. Okay, now what I'm going to do is right, I'm going to use, first I click this one. Okay, choose a file. Now I need to, after choosing a file, I need to click upload. Okay, for that I need to take an XPath now, and right here id file submit is there. Okay, let's right take it. Okay, now await page dot, we need to click it which element to click it, right? We'll do that now. Okay, so there is an ID here. So for ID, the syntax will be hash and the ID value. Okay, so now we'll take the value of the ID. Okay, then I'll give a semicolon here. Okay, next after that, right now, this one, you choose the file and clicked it. Now after this, what we need to do is, right, for example, okay, so I'm just uploading this file. Okay, I upload this, I click upload, then we need to verify this one. Okay, for that let me take and inspect. There also we have an ID. Okay, so now let me go here. I give constant const. Okay, uploaded files, file name equal to, okay, await page dot. I want to make sure that get the content and display. Okay, for that there is one method called as get content. Okay, so now I'm just trying to take the print the content of the file name which I uploaded. Okay, for that I use the method text content. Now I'll go here, locate that particular the file uploaded. Okay, ID. I'll give hash. Okay, so now I just located the uploaded file. Now let's print it. For that we use console dot log. Okay, and I will give uploaded file name. Okay, colon comma. Okay, uploaded file name. Okay, so now I just, as I told you, first I launch the URL, then I click the choose a file button with the let's say selector and the path of the file name. Next I click the upload button and with the help of ID file submit. Then I want to verify the content of the file name which I uploaded. For that I gave avoid dot page text content and uploaded file and console uploaded file name. Okay, now I'm just waiting for 5 seconds, then I'm closing the browser. Let's save it. Okay, let's navigate in the test folder, then I'll give node. Okay, upload file dot js. Okay, it's a file name which I created. Let me run it. So it launched the Chromium browser. Now it's launching the URL. Yeah, but it got some error. So the problem is, right, already I'm in the test folder. I again went inside the test folder and I ran this. Okay, so that's why it's showing an error. Let me remove the test folder in the file path. Let me save it and let me launch it again. It launched the Chromium browser again. So it launched the URL. It file uploaded and you got the file name, right? Playwright upload.txt and playwright upload.txt. Okay. So this is how right we can upload a file right with the help of Playwright in JavaScript. Let me run it again. Okay, you can see a URL application launched. You clicked and Playwright uploaded the text. Okay, you can see a file is being uploaded. Okay, okay, and you got the file name in the console also. Okay, so this is how you can upload a file with the help of Playwright with JavaScript. First, we need to use the set input file method to choose a file, and then to click the upload button. We need to click it, and we need to locate. I locate with the help of ID, and we can verify the right content of the file uploaded with the help of text content method and the locator. You can save it and print it with the help of console.log and verify whether the file has been uploaded or not. Okay, hope you learned something out of this video. Continue to follow the series. Meet us very soon in the next part of video. Thank you. Have a nice day.